Hello everybody and welcome back to another Adventure Boys episode, and today we are here at Hyde Park in Sydney, and wow, already we've got ibises everywhere. This is just crazy. Here is a noisy myna bird. These are commonly found across Australia as well as many other myna bird species. Right here is a very deadly animal that can paralyse you. You probably can't see it because it's hidden. It's a stonefish. Here are some cockatoos and there's loads of flocks flying over. Something must have really spooked them. Right over here, let me just get my finger right there is an Australian magpie, and these things can be very lethal, so I'm keeping a safe distance, but wow, look at that. Here is a crested pigeon. Here is an Australian cockatoo. cockatoo, one of Australia's most known birds. They look beautiful, but bountiful. Here is a rainbow lorikeet, and this is probably one of my favourite birds in Australia. I mean, look at the vibrant colours on it. With a rainbow lorikeet. This is crazy. I don't think it even sees them. It's right there. Look at that. That is awesome. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Look at that. We're here with the famous rainbow lorikeet. Isn't this just incredible? This is why one of my bucket list birds, and yet we found it again. We saw a cockatoo earlier, and now we saw a rainbow lorikeet, and there's one down below as well. Oh my goodness, this is mental. I've always wanted to see a rainbow lorikeet, and here we are with one. Whoa.